Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. I got this brake caliper spreader. I was kind of skeptical on it, but anyway, here's the brake caliper, and it's ratchet style. So if you watch, you gotta go slow so you're not destroying any of the baffles. But I mean, it's that simple. And this is a double piston on here, and you can effortlessly compress that entire piston. And then you just loosen it. Now it comes. This thing's pretty amazing. Then boom, it's up for the next brake job. But I mean, it pushes it in absolutely effortlessly, and it's got these two sides to it. I just dropped one, but so if you got a smaller single piston, but that's it. It's great. All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching and subscribing.